How to make $100,000 a month wholesaling real estate. I'm here at my Scottsdale, Arizona, seven-figure, million-dollar wholesaling real estate company that I built out. We're making over $100,000 every single month. I've been making over $100,000 every single month for multiple years, year over year over year. I've been wholesaling real estate for 6 years, and out of those 6 years, I've made over $100,000 a month every single month for probably 4 years straight. So everybody out there is like, I can do 1 deal, 2 deals, 3 deals, cool, I'm making a little bit of money, 20,000 here, 15,000 here, cool. But how do we get to the next level? How do we get to where we consistently make $100,000 a month so we can actually get to the goal that you wanted to get to when you started wholesaling real estate, right? What did you want when you started wholesaling real estate? You wanted to get rich. I'm gonna show you how to get rich because the ticket to getting rich is figuring out how to make $100,000 a month consistently wholesaling. Let's break it down on the whiteboard. All right, guys, $100,000 per month wholesaling. How is it done? First, we need to understand exactly how the wholesaling real estate business is structured, and it is structured in 3 components. All right, component number 1 is our acquisitions department. Component number 2 is our dispositions department. And component number 3 is our transaction department, okay? We need to understand that a wholesale business is made up of these 3 things. Because in order to get $100,000 a month, you're actually gonna need to scale, systemize, and delegate in a structured way like this, okay? So our acquisitions department is our sales department. Essentially, this is where the money is made, right? In real estate, the money is made on the buy. It's how good of a deal did you get? That's where you're gonna make your money. How low did you lock up the deal? So we need to focus on maximizing our sales skills, okay? We need to become the absolute best we can when it comes to the acquisitions department, okay? This is where the money is made. The money is made on the buy, okay? Now, once we have deals, right, we then move to our disposition department. That is the second component in a wholesaling real estate business and a wholesaling real estate system. This is where we sell the deals to buyers. Now, you're probably like, isn't this where the money is made? No, guys, in real estate, the money is made on the acquisition. On the disposition, yeah, a little bit of money can be made by negotiating the buyer up, but realistically, we lock that profit in over here, okay? So what we need to do is we need to make sure our disposition team is really good at reaching as many buyers as possible so we can get the highest offer and sell our property for the most, okay? So, dispo, okay? Then when it comes to transactions, okay? Contract to close. Okay, contract to close. Always think about contract to close and your ratio. Okay, what is your ratio of deals you're actually closing versus deals that are falling through, that are being canceled? You need to have a very good transaction coordination department if you want to get to $100,000 per month. Because you need to make sure your deals, when you get them from the acquisition to the disposition, then we need to transaction coordinate them to make sure they actually get to the closing table and actually fund and close, okay? Now, what is the gasoline to this? What is the bloodline to your business, okay? Because we're talking about $100,000 a month. We have our 3 departments. We know we need to build out our wholesaling business systemized like this. We're gonna need acquisition managers, probably 3 to 4 of them to get to $100,000 a month. We're gonna need 1 disposition manager to get to $100,000 per month. And we're gonna need 1 transaction coordinator to get to $100,000 per month, okay? That's the team that we need. But what is the gasoline and what is the bloodline to actually get this? And it's gonna be your marketing. Okay? Marketing is the gasoline and the bloodline for your business, okay? What do I mean by that? If you don't have a consistent flow of leads coming into your business, a healthy flow of opportunities coming in, then there's no sellers to talk to and there's no offers to be made. And for us to consistently hit this 100,000 mark, we need to be making, each of our sales guys needs to be making to new prospects 10 to 20 offers a day to new prospects. And in entirety, working through old leads, follow-ups, calling leads they haven't been able to reach before, they need to make about 60 to 80 offers a day, okay? 20 to new leads, another 40 to 60 to older leads and follow-ups is offers to make, okay? And in this department, it's a rule that every seller they talk to, any call they get on, that person needs to be made an offer. No matter what, you have to make them an offer, okay? So in order to do that, we need a healthy flow of opportunities, because if we don't have consistent leads coming into the CRM for the salespeople to work, then they're not going to be able to make those offers, and we're never going to get to the 100,000 per month. How wholesaling works is more calls plus more offers equals more deals. You see, more calls, more offers equals more deals. If we don't have good marketing, we're not going to be able to have anybody to call in order to make more calls. And if we don't train our team right with proper sales skills and proper rules about making everybody they speak to an offer, we're not going to be making enough offers, and we're not going to get enough deals. So it's really a simple process when you reverse engineer it, okay? So marketing, let's dive a little deeper, okay? What I like to do for my marketing is I like to do 60% telemarketing. Okay, so cold calling, 60% cold calling, 40% digital ads. Now, most of the time this is Google PPC for digital ads, but different times and different periods of time in my business, it was Facebook ads, TikTok ads. Okay, so it just depends on the times, which digital ad strategy we are using, but I always like to do 40% digital ads. Those leads are going to be inbound, meaning the seller went to our website, they filled out a form saying, hey, I want to sell my house fast. These leads are a lot hotter than cold calling leads, but you're not going to get as many of them. And obviously, like I said, we want a big flow of opportunities. We want consistent lead flow, healthy flow of opportunities coming in. And if we're doing just digital ads, the lead flow is slow. Yes, they're very motivated, but we're not going to get enough leads to keep our sales team busy, and we're not going to have enough opportunities at our hand to get to that 100,000 per month. So that's why we also do cold calling, okay? Now, cold calling gets you a lot of leads, okay? And that's good because we need that consistent lead flow. We want to keep the sales team busy, right? Now, what does that mean, though, and what should you be targeting? What I like to target is a 15 years plus residence list. 15 years plus residence list, meaning they've owned the home for 15 years or more. When people have owned their home for 10 years or more, they become 70% more likely to sell. Also, when they've owned it for 15 years or more, it's likely they're a high equity homeowner, meaning the property has raised in value while they've paid down the mortgage, meaning they owe less on it than what it's worth. So for my motivated seller data, I like to target 15 years plus residents. I also like to stack, list stack. Have you guys heard of list stacking? I like to stack on their absentee owners and vacants. My handwriting's bad, I'm sorry, but look, I like to target 15 years plus residents where they're an absentee owner, meaning they own the property but they don't live in it, and then vacant. They're 15-year plus owner, absentee, they own it but they don't live in it, but also nobody else lives in it, it's vacant. That is a very motivated list. So that's what I like to cold call. 60% telemarketing, 40% digital ads. How much cold calling are we going to need to spend, and how much digital ads are we going to need to spend to get to 100,000 per month? So you're going to need 3 to 4 acquisitions. For each of these acquisitions, you need 4 to 5 cold callers. So we're talking between 15 to 20 cold callers. Okay? 15 to 20 cold callers. And then how much are we going to spend on digital ads? We're going to spend about $8,000 a month on digital ads. So 15 to 20 cold callers will cost you around $20,000, 20 to 25K a month, then 8K on digital ads, okay? So all in, we're going to spend about $30,000 a month. We're going to be spending $30,000 a month, and that's going to get us $100,000, okay? Over $100,000 every month. So that is a 4x return on ad spend, 4x return, okay? In wholesaling real estate, when it comes to your marketing, you're going to want to be shooting for a 4x return. Now, some months will you get a 5, 6x? Yes. But blended between these two channels, a blended return on ad spend and return on marketing is going to be a 4x, okay? So we want to shoot for that. Now, I've went over a bunch of different KPIs that you need to keep track of. So let's do a recap, because essentially if you know all this information and you implement this, you're going to be able to get to $100,000 a month. Now, I know this video is a little bit more high level, right? If you're just starting out, you're trying to get your first deal or your first few deals, some of this might not align for you because you're not ready to scale the marketing. You're not ready to break it up like a full company like this. You're a one-man show. I get it. Look, I'm here to coach you and train you on starting as a one-man show to get all the way up to this level and scaling it all the way up. So if you want to get mentorship from me, where I take you from doing a few deals to consistently doing 100,000 per month, there's gonna be a link down below where you can apply to join my Inner Circle mentorship. So check that out. But guys, let's do a recap real quick. In order to get to $100,000 a month, you need to systemize and build out your wholesaling real estate business. You need 3 different departments: an acquisitions department, dispositions department, transaction coordination department. In your acquisitions, you'll need 3 to 4 closers, 3 to 4 sales reps. Dispositions, you'll need 1 dispo rep. Transaction coordination, your dispo rep can kind of do your TC, but if not, you'll need a TC, okay? Now, what are the KPIs on marketing you will need for your acquisitions department to have a healthy lead flow, so that way you can have massive success in this business because you have a bunch of opportunities to talk to get deals from? You're gonna need to do 60% telemarketing, 60% cold calling, 40% digital ads. Now, how many cold callers per acquisition? You need 4 to 5 cold callers per acquisition rep, okay? To do 100,000 per month, you need 15 to 20 cold callers, and you need to spend 8,000 a month on digital ads. Now, you're probably wondering, where do I get my cold callers from? I get my cold callers from launchva.com. So if you want the same cold callers that I use for my business, I personally have 20 of these cold callers. If you want the same cold callers that I use for my business, go to launchva.com, and check them out. Fully hands-off marketing solution. So guys, I hope that gives you some information on how to plan for the future and how to grow and scale a wholesaling real estate company, how to break it up into these different departments, what your marketing spread should look like, what your blended return on ad spend should be, and I hope that helps. So guys, if you want more ways I can help you for 100% free, there's 2 links down below in the description as well that can really help you. Number 1 is my free wholesaling university, where you get access to over 20 free course videos showing you step-by-step how to wholesale real estate. You can access it at freewholesalingrealestate.com, or you can click the link down below. And also, I hold a 1-hour mentorship call every single week where I personally mentor you for 1 hour on a Zoom call with me. So if you want to join that mentorship call with me that's coming up, I hold one every week. There's going to be a link down below in the description to sign up for a 1-hour call with me for 100% free. Otherwise, guys, I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, hit the like button. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, go down below, hit the red button, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.